100% after that brutal assault before the match started.
Yeah, I think that's safe. I have a strong feeling that these guys will throw caution to the wind and just go full steam ahead.
We're out tonight, ladies and gentlemen, where tens of thousands of fans will witness an incredible main event.
It's a big-time main event, Michael. Tonight, we get to find out who our new #1 contender will be. It should be great.
Sheamus appears to be admiring his work.